NEMA configurations can get pretty confusing. There's variations in prong numbers, sizes, ratings, and shapes. But to put it simply, there are two different families: straight blade and locking. Straight blades are self-explanatory. These prongs are straight and flat. When you plug these configurations in, they just go straight in and out. Some of these prongs may be round or U-shaped for the ground, or even have an L shape. But most of these prongs will just look plain and straight. There's simply no other way to put it. You'll see these used in most everyday appliances like a fridge or electronics. Locking plugs are made up of curved prongs arranged in a circular formation. When you plug these in, you need to twist clockwise to lock it into place. It should be noted that the twist is very small. You aren't cranking it a full 180 degrees to lock it into place. It's really just a few degrees. The twist is so small that it's easy to not notice. Again, locking plugs only require a very small twist to lock them into place. This rule goes for all locking plugs and connectors. You'll see these in settings where continuous power is needed and can't be disconnected. Spotting the difference between the two becomes easy once you know what to look for. We hope this helped you understand the difference between straight blade and locking connections. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more power cord tips and solutions. Thanks for watching.